How to enable dark mode in Perplexity AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn it on. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, you'll be able to find a section called Theme. Simply tap on Theme. So basically, there are three types of theme: light theme, dark theme, and the system default. So in order to change it, simply tap on dark theme. So it will take some time, and as you can see, the whole interface is completely changed. So it is turned out to be dark. So it's according to the user preference, if they like the dark one or the lighter one. So you can choose the one that you want to enable, and it's all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.